Are you wondering if you should enable stealth mode in your macOS Sequoia Firewall? With cyber threats on the rise, protecting your Mac is crucial. In this video, I'll explain what stealth mode is, how it works, and why it could boost your Mac's security. So, what is stealth mode? It's a firewall setting that tells your Mac to ignore unwanted network traffic, blocking pings, port scans, and hacking attempts. This feature helps keep your Mac nearly invisible on both the internet and local networks. To find it, go to System Settings, Network, and Firewall. First, ensure that the firewall is enabled. Next, click Options and scroll down until you reach Enable Stealth Mode at the bottom. Should you turn Stealth Mode on or off? In most cases, activating Stealth Mode is a wise choice. It minimizes the risk of exposure to network-based attacks, especially on public or unsecured Wi-Fi. However, if you are using apps or services that depend on incoming connections, like remote desktop tools or file sharing, you might want to test compatibility first. So, to recap, Stealth Mode is an extra layer of protection. It's safe to turn it on, especially if you value security and privacy. How about the other settings? To learn how to configure the other settings in the macOS Sequoia Firewall, watch this tutorial at the end of this video or access the link in the description box by clicking on More. As you may know, the macOS Firewall blocks incoming connections. To prevent outgoing connections, you need to use a third-party app like Lulu. Fortunately, the Lulu Firewall is a free app, and the current version is compatible with macOS Sequoia. Watch this comprehensive tutorial to learn how to download, install, and configure it properly. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.